Welcome to my YouTube channel Global City Farmer. Today's video is to show how to do potting of the plant which we bring from nursery safely and very easily in the pot. So let's begin. So as you can see in this picture, this is a plant generally we would buy from a nursery which comes in this kind of plastic grow bag. And we have any pot in the house, so we need to pot it easily and safely without damaging the roots in that pot. So here I am going to show how to pot this fresh mint in this pot which we can hang it on the window grill. The first step to do this repotting is to use a spray or water bottle, or the kind of pump in which we can nicely drench the plant well. So when the soil is wet inside this bag, then the roots will not get damaged when we take out the mud and take out the plant to put it in a pot. So let's start. So I'm watering this thoroughly, and you have to ensure that water doesn't come out, because these kind of grow bags have holes on the side, so it becomes kind of messy if the water starts coming out. So just water it sufficient enough to make the soil wet. That's it. Yeah, we are done watering here, and as you can see here, the soil inside is nice and wet now. Now what we have to do is take a scissor, just a normal scissor, or you can take a gardening scissor, and cut this bag from the sides. See how I'm cutting it? Just give a vertical cut like this. Now as you can see, inside soil is like a cake here, and I have not touched it at all. So you can see the moistness in that soil. That's very important. And when you're cutting this grow bag, ensure you're cutting it from the loose side. After cutting this bag, so very delicately, see, very delicately we have to remove this plastic from all the sides. See, so as you can see here, now see how I'm holding the mold of this mud, and the roots can be seen also. I mean, they're absolutely not damaged. Very lightly we have removed that plastic cover. That is all due to watering in the right amount. Now what we have to do, we have to take a pot. Okay, now this pot I have taken is of the similar size, so we don't have to add anything at the bottom. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just going to insert this whole the mold or a cake looking soil with the plant in that pot. See, very gently it's gone inside, as you can see here. Yeah, that's it. And now what we have to do is here, just adjust it a little. See, and on the sides now you can see there is a gap between this soil mold and the a pot. So all that we are going to fill with a good quality potting mix. Now I have already made a video on how to make a healthy potting mix. You can see the link for that video in the description box. So use that kind of healthy potting mix and fill the pot. So see, here I'm going to see here, as you can see, I'm just filling the gap here. Yes. So now the added advantage you get when you buy a sapling in this kind of cardboard box.
So whenever our clients buy saplings from a venture global city farmer, we do not give saplings in a plastic bag, but these are supplied only in cardboard box, which are made from repurposed cardboard pieces, because these are environment friendly and also very easy to pot them into your home pot, either in plastic, ceramic, whichever of your choice. And they are quite sturdy, and of course they look good, and very easy to manage the potting of these kind of saplings.
So as you can see, this plant is in this box. So when you want to pot it, in the any this kind of pot or any ceramic pot in your house, you have to just insert this whole box as it is inside this plastic pot. That's it. And from the sides you can put your soil mix, and what happens is this pot is compostable pot. So after some days, this pot will get composted and get disintegrated in the potting mix. So there is no need to transplant this into a means cut it, and transplanting is not required. This is a very easy and eco-friendly method. So in today's video, I have shown these two methods of potting the sapling which we purchase into the pot in the house. I hope you have liked the video. Please give your comments and suggestions for any other topic in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Global City Farmer.